Hello everybody, welcome to Sri Sai Shruti channel. Today we shall learn about construction of pair of tangents to the circle of given radius from an external point. That point is certain distance away from center. So there are two options. You can give the distance of the external points either from the center of the circle or from the circle. So in this question it is given distance given which is 7 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So before starting any construction in geometry we need to write the data. So in this construction radius is 3 centimeter and the distance is 7 centimeter. D means here the distance of the external point from the center. Let us start the construction. First we need to draw a line which is named as distance line, measure 7 centimeter. Let it be named as OA, which is 7 centimeter, and using compass we should construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. So take radius 3 centimeter exactly and O as the center, draw a circle. Yes. Oh, here in this circle the radius is 3 centimeter and OA measure 7 centimeter. Next step is we should construct the perpendicular bisector to the line OA. So for that we need to take more than half of the line OA using compass. So O as the center, draw arcs which is above the line OA and thus keeping same radius as before. Now A as the center, cut off the previous arcs like this. Most important fact is don't change the radius. This is most important. Then draw these two points of intersection of the arcs and this line intersect the distance line OA at a point B. Let it be B. B becomes B is the point midpoint of the line OA and at B it makes an 90 degree. So next procedure is, now we should take B as the center, then BA as radius, BA and OB as the radius. So this, look at here, the radii are same, it measures same. Then B as a center, we need to draw a circle. You can draw the circle either by dotted lines or by a line. So draw the one more circle. Notice here this circle intersect previous circle at two distinct points. I am naming this point as C and D. And here the external point is given, let it be P. Yes. Then from external point P, draw or join the point C. PC is one tangent and the same procedure join P and D. So here PC and PD are the two tangents. So this is the procedure of construction of pair of tangents. Finally we need to write here, therefore PC and PD are the pair of tangents. This way we have to do the construction of pair of tangents. Thank you.